A single impaired employee can create unacceptable risk to your operations and your workforce. And it is difficult for supervisors to be aware of every unseen issue affecting an employee's performance. Alertness and fatigue are not just about hours worked. Human factors stack up. Emotional distress, sleep deprivation, dehydration, heat, distractions, illness, drugs, and alcohol. AlertMeter gives your supervisors a powerful tool to identify potential issues in a game-like experience, so they can better engage, support, and prevent incidents before they happen. AlertMeter is a simple 45-second shape-based game played on a tablet or mobile device that quickly identifies an employee's current cognitive alertness against their own personal baseline, helping supervisors to identify potential alertness risk when someone is outside their normal range. AlertMeter creates an opportunity to objectively engage the employee, allowing supervisors to take proactive, preventative measures to reduce risk as much as possible, before reactive alarms, before the point of failure. AlertMeter takes risk mitigation from reactive point of failure detection to proactive prevention, leading to a reduction in incident rates, lower cost of incidents, and fewer fatigue events and drive cam triggers. When productivity is at a premium, you need a tool that doesn't slow down your workflow. AlertMeter is fast, easy to use, and language independent. It is built to be non-discriminatory, EEOC compliant, and union accepted. Most importantly, this is not intended to be punitive. It's not a go/no-go system. It's a mechanism to objectively engage and support your workforce. Think of it as a quality assessment for your most important asset, your people. So instead of guessing when, where, or who is posing the greatest fatigue and human factors risk, you get visibility. Before the shift, before the job, before the incident. AlertMeter bridges the gap from detection to prevention, confirming your team is rested, alert, and ready for work. Schedule a demo and see how easily AlertMeter fits into your operation.